Hello, dear participants, to the future, the art of abundance by Grace in Armenia, in Dilijan. We are really excited to be part of this retreat, this program with all of you. And we are going to give you the strategies for abundance, the physical, somatic, and emotional and mental and spiritual strategies for abundance. So for us, abundance is really what comes out when the nervous system of a person is in line with the universe. By the way, I am Stefania Capitano and I am a chiropractor that practices Network Spinal Analysis in Turin, Italy. And so we are going to give you those strategies. Those strategies are linked to the nervous system, so we are going to work with your spine, but it's through your spine that we will access also to the life force, to the emotional force, and the mental energy and the spiritual energy. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So we are excited to be there with you. Come and join us.